Here's an expanded version of the guide with more details and context for each unit and learning target. Unit 1, Environmental Systems in the Living World, Tragedy of the Commons. Definition. The tragedy of the commons occurs when individuals, acting in their own self-interest, overexploit shared, limited resources, ultimately depleting them for everyone. This happens because shared resources, like oceans, forests, and the atmosphere, are often unregulated, leading to unsustainable use. Explanation and examples. Overfishing. When multiple fishermen exploit the same fish population, the collective harvest may exceed the species' reproductive capacity, causing fish stocks to collapse. Deforestation. Common land is often cleared for agriculture or fuelwood, leading to habitat loss, soil degradation, and climate impacts. Atmospheric pollution. Excessive release of CO2 and pollutants into the atmosphere results in climate change and acid rain. Solutions to mitigate tragedy of the commons. Regulation. Governments or international organizations can implement quotas or fishing limits to reduce overexploitation. Permits and tradable rights. Systems like cap and trade allow entities to buy and sell emission permits, incentivizing efficiency. Community-based management. Local communities often succeed in sustainably managing resources when given autonomy and clear boundaries. Key concepts. Ecological footprint measures how much land and resources a population consumes compared to Earth's biocapacity. Countries exceeding their biocapacity contribute to overshoot, consuming more resources than ecosystems can replenish. Sustainable yield refers to harvesting resources, e.g., fish, timber, at a rate that allows natural replenishment. Unit 1, Biogeochemical Cycles. Definition. Biogeochemical cycles describe the pathways that essential elements and compounds, like carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus, and water, take as they move through the atmosphere, biosphere, lithosphere, and hygrosphere. Explanation of key cycles. Carbon cycle. Reservoirs, atmosphere, CO2, oceans, fossil fuels, and biomass. Processes. Photosynthesis absorbs CO2, while respiration and combustion release it. Human impacts. Burning fossil fuels and deforestation increase atmospheric CO2, contributing to global warming. Nitrogen cycle. Steps. Nitrogen fixation, conversion of N2 into ammonia by bacteria or lightning, nitrification, assimilation by plants, and denitrification. Impact of fertilizers. Excess nitrogen from agricultural runoff causes eutrophication, creating dead zones in aquatic ecosystems. Phosphorus cycle. Unique because it lacks an atmospheric phase. Reservoirs, rocks and soil. Human impacts. Mining and fertilizer use increase runoff into water bodies, leading to algal blooms and hypoxia. Hydrologic, water, cycle. Driven by solar energy, causing evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. Human impacts. Over-extraction of groundwater, dam construction, and urbanization alter nature.